Hi, today I have a very interesting, cool CISA lock. It's a it's a CISA with 5-pin CISA lock with a pretty interesting beading. So pretty short one, pretty long one, and in the end pretty short one. And this is a bit tiny keyway. It's not the tiniest, but it's somewhere in the middle. And with this kind of beading, it's a bit tricky to pick this kind of lock. So I will just turn it around. So I'm picking it European way, and as usual I will use this tension tool, and I will use, as usual, the forest diamond. So let's start picking this one. 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 click, 4 binding, click from 4, 5 is binding, click from 5. Let's go from start. 1 nothing, 2, it's binding, click from 2. I think I overset something. Yeah, probably. 1 2 3, it's binding, no. 3, no. Yeah, click from 3, 4, it's back, and 5, it's back. Couple of clicks from 5. Usually CISA puts security pins in all of their locks. I don't know if I overset again pin number. No. Now couple of clicks from pin 5. Let me go from start. 1 nothing, 2 3 4 nothing, 5. Click from 5, and I am in a very deep falset. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm in deep falset now. 1, it's binding. Click, couple of click from 1, still binding. Counter rotation from 1, come on. Click from 1. I don't know if I overset pin number 1 or not. Again. Come on, 1. Yes. Previously I overset pin number 1, so it's open. It's a very interesting pick. To be honest, it's not like that easy pick because of the beading and how the lock, how the last pin, you need to pick it multiple times, and plus the security pins. It's a very interesting. So let me disassemble this one. Hopefully I did not break the C-clip. Yes. And I'll do it like, if it's like this. Hopefully there is no tip-in. CISA sometimes put tip-ins, but not this time. Everything's working fine. So let me drop 1, 2, standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, yeah, 5 standard. Everything is standard. Yeah. Everything is standard. You can see the core. No drill protections. And let's see the key pins. First one is pull, as I was expecting to be. 2 spool, but pretty short one. 3 very small 4 again spool and 5 barrel-like, and inside dirty body. But I will try to remove one of the springs just to see the spring. Come on. There is a small spring. I put it so. As you can see, I'll try to zoom a bit to see the pins. It's pretty interesting one, especially this small, pretty interesting small spool. Come on, focus. Here's, it's a pretty very, this is the smallest spool I have ever seen, and the last one is barrel-like, and that's the serration that when I pick it a couple of times, I felt the serration, so I was thinking it's a serrated, but not that kind of serration. It's a barrel-like. So that was the CISA lock. Oh, pretty shiny. Made it. Oh, come on, made in Italy, picked and guided. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice picking, and bye bye.